In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Supabase API errors. If you're running into issues with your Supabase connection, this walkthrough will help you check the most common causes in a simple, practical order. We'll start in the Supabase dashboard, confirm your project is active, review table access settings, and then verify that your application is using the correct public API key. At the end, we'll also cover clearing the API cache for 400 or schema-related errors. First, log into your Supabase dashboard and go to your project list. Before opening anything, take a moment to check the status of your project. If you see that the project is marked as paused, click resume and then wait about 2 minutes. That pause state is an easy thing to miss, and it can cause API requests to fail even when everything else looks correct. Once the project is active, click into the project you want to troubleshoot. In the left side navigation, open Database, then click Tables. From there, select the table related to the error you're seeing and check whether RLS or row-level security is enabled. This is important because if RLS is turned on and you don't have the right policies in place, your API can return errors or empty responses. If RLS is enabled, go to Policies using the shield icon in the left sidebar. Then click Create Policy, choose the Get Started Quickly option, select a template such as Enable Read Access for all users, and click Save. This gives you a quick way to confirm whether the issue is caused by missing permissions. Be careful to choose a policy that matches your intended access level for the table. After that, head to Project Settings and open API Keys. In the Project API Key section, copy the anon public key. This is the key most front-end applications are expected to use. Then paste that key exactly into your application's configuration file, such as your environment file. Make sure there are no extra spaces, missing characters, or outdated values because even a small mismatch can break the connection. Finally, clear the API cache if you're dealing with 400 errors or schema errors. This can help when Supabase is still serving outdated schema information after recent database changes. If you follow this process in order, you'll rule out the most common Supabase API problems: a paused project, missing RLS policies, incorrect public keys, and cached schema issues. Take your time with each screen, double check what you paste into your config, and your API errors should be much easier to resolve.